Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to update Kia Sorento navigation. Begin by confirming your Sorento model and infotainment type, then find the VIN on the driver door jamb. Format a USB drive to FAT32 and download the matching navigation update package to your computer. Extract files to the root of the USB drive, safely eject, and bring the drive to your vehicle before starting the update process. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then connect a battery charger if the battery is below full. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine so the infotainment remains powered. Plug the prepared USB into the vehicle USB port, wait for the system to recognize update files, and follow prompts to begin installation while keeping the vehicle powered and doors closed to avoid interruption. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for wading through long updates or reading manuals in the garage. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. They make downtime more enjoyable. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once the USB is recognized, accept the update prompts and do not interrupt power while files install, as interruption can harm the system. The unit may reboot several times. Stay patient and avoid removing the USB until the process indicates completion. After the final reboot, navigate to System Settings to confirm the new map version, restore any backed up preferences, and perform a quick road test to ensure navigation guidance and voice prompts function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.